Hello everyone and welcome back to Bonjour, Hello, Hola. Today you're going to be learning how to count from 30 to 100 in French. We've already covered 0 to 30 previously, so be sure to watch that video if you haven't already. We'll be using those foundational numbers as we move forward. The link to that video is in the comment section below. Instead of just memorizing most of these numbers, you'll learn the patterns that make French numbers easy to understand. Before we jump in, be sure to subscribe for more French learning material and like this video if you find it helpful. Let's get started right off with our multiples of 10. We're going to refer to these as your base numbers. You'll build the rest off of these bases. Repeat after me. Trente, 40, 50, 60. There's no easy trick to remembering this set, so be sure to spend some time memorizing them. Now that you know the bases, you can start to build the numbers 31 to 69. The pattern is as follows: base number plus hyphen plus number. For example, 34 is 34, 47 is 47, 59 is 59, and 68 is 68. There's a special rule for numbers ending in 1. For these, you'll usually add AR, meaning and 1, instead of just 1. So 31 is 31, 41 is 41, 51 is 51, and 61 is 61. Luckily, French numbers are very regular up to 69. Now you try. Here are some numbers. Try to say them in French. Pause the video now to test your skills and click play when you're ready for the answers. Did you get them right? Check your answers on the screen. Let's move on to the first big change, 70. In French, 70 does not have its own word. Instead, 70 is 70, which literally translates to 60-10. To form the rest of the 70s, you add the teen numbers to 60. Repeat after me. 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. 80 follows a similar pattern. Rather than having its own word, 80 is 80, translating to 4 20s. To form the rest of the 80s, the rule is similar to what we saw for the 30s to 60s. Repeat after me. 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89. The 90s follow the same rule as the 70s using the teens. 90 is 90, basically 80 plus 10, or more literally 4 times 20 plus 10. Repeat after me. 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. Finally, 100 is cent. Think of it as 100 cents in a dollar. We know this is a lot of information, so rewatch the video if you need to. For a final summary, 30 to 69 follow a simple pattern. 70 equals 60 plus 10, 80 equals 4 20s, 90 equals 80 plus 10, and 100 is cent. Understanding this structure makes counting much easier. Let's try these final few numbers. Pause the video and click play once you're ready to check your answers. And here are your answers. And there you have it. If this explanation helped you, like the video, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what you want to learn next. Thanks for your support, and we'll see you next time on Bonjour, Hello, Hola.